All the measurements will be in the description box below. Add the all-purpose flour into the sieve and add the baking powder and baking soda to it. Then mix them up into the bowl. Now for the wet ingredients, pour the curd and put the powdered sugar. Mix them up till they are till the powdered sugar is dissolved in the curd. Now after the powdered sugar dissolves in the curd, add the vanilla extract and mix them up together. Now add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, little by little till the dry ingredients are over. Now add the oil to the rest of the batter and mix it up together. And now take a cake tin and which is lined with parchment paper. Then pour the cake batter into the cake tin. Now put the cake tin into the oven and preheat it to 180 degrees. And then bake it to 30 minutes.